Morning. I thought I'd post a little video to you to say this business is a lot like running, a lot like exercise. Sometimes you feel like you're running and your feet have got lead weights and it feels harder than other days. And then when you push through that, you're always rewarded. I had a beautiful woman message me last night at 12:30 saying she's been watching me, feels inspired by what I'm doing, would like to join my business. That's the first time that's happened to me in 21 months. I just want to say to everyone watching this, if you feel that yesterday was your lead weight day, push harder today, because you will be rewarded with success. And everyone we met on the GoPro event had times like that, and they explained that they didn't have, it's not that they didn't have fear, because they did, but they chose to push through it. If you have disappointment, you just have to make a choice, and that's to push through it. This is part of my miracle morning, running every day, and this is where I get to run. It's where I live. It's beautiful, and I'm out with my little running buddy Dolly. So grateful to be able to do this. But I wanted to share this with you this morning. I hope you're all going to have an amazing day. And this is me at my vulnerable, running, sweating, tears running down my face, because that always happens when I run. Anyway, massive love to everyone. Have a brilliant day. Bye.